What's up, guys? Welcome back to another funny react videos. Hopefully I don't laugh. I'm obviously trying not to laugh this video, as you can see on top of the, well, you can't see it yet, but yeah, it's not a try not to laugh video. Let's get into it. If you hear me sniffle a little, my allergies are playing going crazy on me today, so yeah. Oh, damn. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. What? Okay, someone's... Whoa. I did not laugh. Someone's having fun on that. Bird feeder. Whee!
That's the best one I've ever seen.
What the? What? What was that song? Why? Why is that a thing? Okay. Someone was having fun there. What? Wait, what was that? Was that a pig? I had to go back. That ran so fast across the room, I didn't even see what the hell that was. Yeah, it's a pig. That should run so fast across the screen, I didn't even make it out. Get out.
Hey guys, how was the trash dinner? Was it good? Are you stuck?
Caught
Yeah.
red-handed and trapped. I almost laughed there. I really, honestly, almost laughed there.
Let's get out of the way.
So like, what are you doing? Oh, that's probably. Oops. That doesn't cook, doesn't laugh. Damn it. Why? Why? Oh my lord.
Corners for you before you get on the water. Now, just like Quiggy, the first thing you want to do when you get out there on the water is brush your hair and get all nice and pretty for the
Up the bunny. What? Why are the goats in the tree? Oh my god, that thing is so adorable.
You're a good bear. I really want to hug you.
Give me some more!
If you're grumpy and you know it, make a snort. If you're grumpy and you know it, make a snort. If you're grumpy and you know it, and you... You really want to show it. If you're grumpy and you know it, make a snort.
Someone's been imprinted on. What are you doing, Llama? What the frick? Why? Why?
Inappropriate.
Inappropriate is understatement. Like, I don't know what that llama was doing there. The chicken whisperer. Guys, we found the chicken whisperer. Oh god, what a heavy. Yeah. I almost made myself laugh. Yeah, I don't know. What is it with goats and climbing? We just saw goats in trees, now we see that. Oh my god, I don't know. What is with goats and climbing? And they're not cats, okay.
It's just like so casual.
That pig is really posh. You see the almost kick you in your face, damn cat. Oh god, why did I laugh? No!
Or are they mating?
No, that doesn't count! Frig! Ah! Of all things! Damn it! Someone's dancing.
Wow. That's amazing. Oh my god.
Okay. What's going on with that seagull?
Just slinging parts for Harry, man.
I know what he's slinging. Keep trying to get in his man, dog.
Nap time.
Goodness.
Alright, here we go. Put some potatoes in there.
Wow. Ooh. Tooth freeze. Ah.
Hello. She wants to come in and
I got an itch. I got an itch. I need to scratch my itch. I already laughed so long ago. It's quite natural now. Oh no.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Dude, I think he's pissed. I think he's just crossing his arms. He's so
What the?
pissed.
Did someone steal his nuts? Someone stole his nuts. Someone stole my nuts. Oh, someone got company. So he turns around. As soon as he starts to look at him, it's like, wait. Oh shit, he noticed me.
Okay, you can go get on there. Woohoo!
No, you are so lucky. So lucky you do not have bed. Or mustache. That would have been painful. Alright guys, that would do it for this part 1 of this video. I'd probably follow up with this video next week, so if you guys want to check out part 2 will be released on next week. This video is pretty long, so I'll do the other half next week, or like half of the video right now. I did laugh a couple times. Wow. Yeah, it's animals just do the craziest thing. Wow. I would have a link to the original video down in the description if you guys want to go and watch the video down below. Also, I have all my social media links in the description. Feel free to drop on my social media and drop a follow. My main channel would be Ashbos Gaming. I have a link in the description and one on screen on the end screen. Feel free to jump across to my main channel where I do gaming videos. Also check out my Twitch where I do live streams every Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Saturdays, 7 PM EST. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ashbos is out. Peace.